What is binomials? Containing two terms. So first answer, that is 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. Multiply it and tell me the answer quickly. Multiply it and tell me the answer quickly. Yes, comparing quantities and identities. And if I completed this chapter, if I completed this the last chapter up to which I have up to which I will complete, then from that portions only the questions will come. Okay, the algebraic expression. So first answer, that is 2x plus 5 into 4x. So for solving this type of question, you need to do, that is 2x plus 5 bracket and 4x minus 5. Okay, two terms are the binomials because both the terms having two terms, that's why these are called binomial. So for multiplying these two terms, the 2x into 4x minus 5 plus 5 into 4x minus 5. Okay, that follow the step, follow that step only. Now 2x into 4x, 2x into 4x, first multiply the coefficient then variable. Now 2 into 4, 8. Now x into x, students, in class 7 I have taught you, when the multiplication of same variables, just powers are added. Powers of x, that is 1, powers of x 1, so x 1 plus 1, that is 2, that is x square. Next things, so 8x square, 8x square plus into minus, minus into plus, that is minus 2 into 5, 10x plus 5 into 4, 20x minus 25. Now 8x square minus 10x plus 20x minus 10 plus 20, tell me, minus 10, oh, that is 2, 4x minus 3, not 5. Okay, so as it is 3, so it will be, oh my god, 3, so it will be 6x and 15. Okay, it will be 15. So 8 minus 6x plus 20x minus, yes, plus 14x. Now the only the coefficient numerical constant, that is minus 15, so it is the answer. It is 8x square plus 14x minus 15, it is the answer. Okay, got it everyone? Any problem? Any problem? Okay, next question, that is exercise 9.4, that is exercise 9.4. 2.5 L minus 0.5 m and 2.5 L plus 0.5 m. These two terms are also binomials. So product it quickly. Quickly answer in the chat box. Answer it in the chat box quickly. Okay. Okay, now I am doing the sums. So first of all 2.5, so just do it. 2.5 L into 2.5 L plus 0.5 M and minus 0.5 M into 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. Later we will learn, that is a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is a plus b and a minus b. In short way you can do, that is a square minus b square, but now we will do it by, we will solve it by actual multiplication. So 2.5 into 2.5, it is very easy calculation. 2.5 into 2.5, that is 6.25 L square. Now 2.5 into 0.5, what will be the product? 2.5 into 0.5, that will be 1.25. Okay, that will be 1.25 Lm minus 0.5 into 2.5, that is also minus plus minus 1.25 Lm minus 0.5 into 0.5, 0.5 into 0.5, what will be the answer? It's obviously 0.25 M square. Now these two terms are same, but only the difference in sign, so you can reduce it, you can remove it, but it is plus minus. So 6.25 L square, 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square, that is the answer. Okay, that is the question number 3. That is the question number 3 of exercise 9.4. Next, question number 6. Solve it quickly. Yes, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, that is 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Quickly do it. Okay, so now I am doing that sum, that is 3 by 4 a square. So first 3 by 4 a square into 4 a square minus 8 by 3b square plus 3b square into 4 a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Now 3 by 4 into 4, first I have told you product of coefficient, not product of variable. So 3 by 4 into 4, what will be the answer? Tell me quickly. 3 by 4 into 4, 4 and 4 will be reduced, that is 3. And a square into a square, just same variable, add the power, 2 plus 2, 4. 3a to the power 4. Minus, plus into minus, minus, 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. It is obviously 3 by 4, that 3 will reduce, 4 to the 8, 2, a square, b square, plus 3 into 4, 12, 12 a square b square, plus minus, minus 3, that is b to the power 4, that is b to the power 4, okay, 12 a square b square minus b to the power 4. So 3a to the power 4, these are the like terms, these are the like terms or not? Tell me quickly. Yes, that is 8b to the power 4, 8b, not b to the power 4, 8b to the power 4, okay, yes, 8b to the power 4. So 3a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 12a square b square, these are the like terms. Sorry. So that is minus 2 plus 10, minus 2 plus 12, minus 2, yes, that will be plus 10 a square b square minus 8b to the power 4. Got it? That is the answer. That is the question number 6. Next question. Find the product, question number 2. Find the product of 5 minus 2x, 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. It's very easy. So we'll do in the same manner. That is question number 1. 5 into 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x. Okay. So 5 3 15, 5 into x 5x, minus 2 into 3 minus 6x, minus 2 into minus x, that is minus 2x square. So 15, these two are like terms, 5x and 6x, but one is plus and one is plus 5 minus 6. What will be the answer? Plus 5 minus 6. What will be the answer? That is minus 6, minus x. Minus x minus 2x square. Got it, everyone? Yes, very good, Sneha. So 15 minus x minus 2x square is the answer of part 1, question number 2. Next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3, a square plus b and a plus b square. Do it quickly, very easy sums. Do it quickly, very easy sum. Chandranath already answered it. Okay, very good, Chandranath. So a square into a plus b square plus b into a plus b square. Okay. So a square into a, same variable, so parts should be added. 2 plus 1 3. So a to the a cube plus unlike terms. These are called unlike terms. A square into b square. So just write it down like a square into b square plus b into a, that is ab, and b cube, that is b cube. That is the answer. Got it, everyone? Any problem? Any problem? Any problem regarding the sums or regarding the previous sums? Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4, that is p square q square, p square minus q square and 2p plus q. 2p plus q. Tell me what answer will be. So very easy, that is p square into 2p plus q minus q square 2p plus q. So p square into 2p, obviously p 2 p square into p, that is p cube, plus p square cube minus 2p q square minus q cube. That is the answer. Got it, everyone? Okay, any problem? Now students, I am giving you that question number 3, 1 to 7. Next class I will discuss this question 1 to 7, okay, and otherwise one video will be uploaded of question number 3. Okay, thank you students. I hope you got all the points what I have discussed in the class. If you have any problem, tell me. And students, I will try to give some MCQ type questions for your practice in ePortal from tomorrow. Practice it at your home. That will help to get more marks in the exam. Okay students, thank you, bye. The term, that's 2 chapters, okay, I will tell you in the next class, okay. Physics, the sound, one chapter is sound and another chapter means I think force and pressure. Force and pressure in the term PT1.